this is Claire. Today we're going to make some Barbie pizzas. Guys, I'm going to put the detailed ingredient list in the description. We used beetroot to make the pink colour. Beetroot is the perfect natural pink food colouring. Time to make the dough. Ooh, look at this colour. It's so vibrant. Let this pink slug rise. I'll come back later. Today we're going to make 2 Barbie pizzas. So this is the amount for 2 pizzas. First pizza, we're going to make a round one. We stuffed the crust with loads of cheese. Yum! You could put any toppings of your choice. We used ham because that's all we have in the house. Yeah, we need to do a big shopping. And then we used sliced beetroot to make the picture on the pizza. My mum just used a small knife and cut it out the picture. How clever! Ooh, and these letters. Barbie! It actually looks so good! Ta-da! Here comes our first Barbie pizza. Nailed it! Second pizza, we make it in the shape of a Barbie. To make pink cheese, simply mix cheese with beetroot sauce. There are few beetroot dips in the supermarket. Just choose the flavour you like. Guys, check this out. Oh my god. Before baking, definitely looks much better. Ooh, I might use this pizza for Halloween then. Well, you never know what's gonna come out from the oven. We just keep trying. Yummy! They taste really good. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Imaginations, life is your creation. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Spider girl. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Imagination. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. I said party. Thank you so much for watching our videos. I'll see you next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!